In this video, we will discuss about the local and global variables scope in Python. Local variables. Local variables are those which are defined inside a function or a block of code, and its scope is limited to that function or block only. So it's basically private to that particular block where it's declared. Local variables are accessible only to the statements which are present inside the function or block of code in which it was initialized. The local variables cannot be accessed anywhere outside the function or block of code in which it was initialized. Global variables. Global variables are those which are not defined inside any function and have a global scope. The global variables are accessible throughout the program and inside every function of the program. The global variables are created usually on top section of the program and outside of all the functions. Global and local variable with same name. Global and local variable can have similar names. If the variables with same name are defined in different scopes, then it's allowed. For example, the variable can be defined as a global variable and at the same time as a local variable with same name. Local variable value always takes precedence over the global variable value if the names are similar. Let's discuss the scope of variable using a program. In the program, variable x is assigned with a value of 10 which has a global scope. A new function is created as my_function with a local variable y having a value of 20. Print y is added in the function. Outside the function, print statement is added for both the variables x and y. Once executed, the value of x gets printed as 10, whereas for y an error is thrown as y is not defined. This is because y is defined inside the function and has a local scope, so it cannot be accessed outside of the function where it's defined. Commenting the print of variable y. To call the code present inside the function, we need to invoke the function by calling the function my_function. Once executed, we can see that it first prints the value of x as 10 because print x is called first, and then the function is called which prints the value of y as 20. Now let's add the print statement of variable x inside the function. This is just to test if the global variable is accessible inside the function my_function or not. Once executed, we can see that it first prints the value of x as 10 because print x is called first, and then the function is called which prints the value of y as 20 and then prints the value of x as 10. So this concludes that the global variables are accessible inside the function also. Now let's test global and local variable having the same name. The variable name is changed from y to x in the my_function, and only print is added for variable x. Now we need to see that when the function gets executed, which value it will take. The global variable value or the local variable value. Once executed, we see that the my_function prints the value as 20 instead of 10. This means that local value always takes precedence over the global variable in Python.